Hey, exciting times. Yes, it's day one of our juice fast, and well, it's not even really that far into day one. It's about 10 minutes to 1 a.m. So, yeah, I've been having a bit of a Stargate Atlantis marathon, and I got a bit hungry, and I was like, well, I've started my juice fast. I'm going to go and make some juice. So, I wanted to share with you the very first juice that I made for day one of the juice fast. And I have some here, which you can't really see, but maybe you can see a little bit. Ooh. Okay, so what's in it is, I wrote it down, 2 mandarins, a beautiful apple, and one of the oranges, and 2 large strawberries. And I tell you what, if you've never smelt juice from a strawberry before, holy crap, so good. It will make you want to drink the lot, like scull it down. It is such a good smell. It makes your mouth sing and your nose sing. It's amazing. And this juice tastes really, really, really good. It doesn't look like much. Here's the jug, you can see. But it tastes amazing. We also made a juice to go with our last meal that we had, which was just a simple bowl of tomato-based pasta with some mushrooms. And what we put in our juice was just a straight veggie juice. And we had beets, a couple of tomatoes, a couple of huge carrots, a small bunch of spinach, a small bit of ginger, and a small peeled lemon. And that was really, really delicious too. So anyway, I'm probably going to head to bed really, really soon. But I just wanted to share my excitement for day one, juice one of 10-day juice fast. So pretty excited, as you can tell. So anyway, I'll say goodnight to you. Good night. I'll see you next time.